We're talking about theft in Florida, under Florida criminal law. And you can see it gets a little bit trickier than one might assume. We've talked about the enhancements for repeat offenders, the items taken, type of item taken, the value. All of these things come into play. But shoplifting is kind of a slang term that has evolved. It's the most popular term for this type of theft. It involves taking goods from a shop. Could be a grocery store. We just had an athlete that stole some crab legs from a grocery store, so I guess that's why they went with this. Shoplifting. Pursuant to Florida statutes, retail theft, shoplifting, means the taking, possession of, or carrying away any of the following. Merchandise. Let's see what we have for merchandise. Oh, Heineken and a necklace. You match. Must be St. Patrick's Day. Property, obviously. Now, what's wrong with this situation? See that laptop there? This is unlikely to be a shoplifting charge if a person was apprehended stealing that laptop, because I would bet there's a pretty good chance that the value is over $300, the fair market value. Although those laptops definitely have come down quite a bit. Taking money, negotiable documents, altering, removing labels, product codes, price tags. All of these things can be acts amounting to the criminal act of theft, more specifically, petty theft, slang term, shoplifting. Shoplifting is a misdemeanor in Florida. Transferring merchandise from one container to the other with the intention of taking it and not paying for it. Taking a shopping cart out of a store, a grocery store, with the intention of depriving the merchant of possession, use, benefit, or the full retail value of the items in the cart. Sometimes people hide things in pretty clever ways. It's that little ledge under the shopping carts that are often used. Sometimes people buy a cooler, let's say, and put items in the cooler. And if the clerk sees the items, looks in the cooler, the suspect, of course, forgot all about it. One thing that you may want to consider also is that if somebody is suspected of shoplifting, a shop owner or clerk has the right to detain that individual and call law enforcement in order to protect their merchandise. My name is William Moore.